we will guide you through how to change sky color Photoshop. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Photoshop. Open the photo containing the sky you want to change. Go to Select on the top menu to view Photoshop selection commands. Click Sky and wait while Photoshop analyzes the image and automatically creates a selection around the visible sky. Inspect the selection carefully where the sky meets buildings, trees, mountains, power lines, or other objects, making sure important details are not accidentally included or missed. Open the Layers panel from the right side of the workspace, or use the Window menu if the panel is hidden. Click the new Adjustment Layer icon at the bottom of the Layers panel, which looks like a circle divided into light and dark halves. Select Hue and Saturation from the menu to create a non-destructive color adjustment. Make sure Photoshop uses the Active Sky selection to create the Adjustment Layers mask, so the changes affect only the selected sky rather than the entire photograph. In the Properties panel, move the Hue slider slowly to change the sky's color, watching the canvas as you explore warmer, cooler, or more dramatic tones. Adjust the Saturation slider to make the chosen color stronger and more vivid, or reduce it for a softer and more muted appearance. Adjust the Lightness slider if the sky looks too bright or too dark, using small changes so clouds and natural tonal details remain visible. Click the Adjustment Layers eye icon to hide and show the effect, allowing you to compare the original sky with the edited version. Make final adjustments to the hue, saturation, and lightness values until the new sky color blends naturally with the lighting, landscape, reflections, and overall mood of the photo.